And welcome back, Gorillaman's Garage. We have today the Fimi Mini 3 SE. Yes, the SE. 2 mechanical gimbals, one is EIS only. Just like some of the bigger ones you can get from the budget manufacturers, but this one is probably one of the best sleepers of 2025-26. It's an awesome little drone and it's still really affordable. This is mine. I bought it and I'm going to sell it. $200 Canadian. That's it. A super deal. You're saving tons. Have a look at the description below for the link to the marketplace posting. We're going to get it on the pad, have a look at some of the things. The features are so plentiful. It's got one of the best waypoint mission planners going on the market. It's got follow, it's got orbit and dronies and you name it, and it's got everything for such a little drone in such a unique little package, because I love the color orange. Also, you take it out of the bag, here you go, boom, boom. How long does it take to get ready to go? There you are. None of the twisting and folding and big canopies and stuff to take off. You can just, fold it in and it's back in your pack again. There you go. Let's get on the pad. Let's take it for a little flight, show you some of the options. I may not do them, but I'll show you, and how stable it is for an EIS. Not since the days of the Bebop 2 have I seen something this good in this small a package. Remember, it's a sub 250 gram drone. Let's get up and we're going to look at it on the 13.5-inch Teclast T65 monitor. And I'm going to pretend I'm at the riverbank or the beach or wherever. Okay, let's go. Here we have it on the pad, we're all set to go. Got that camera, we got this monitor being monitored, we got the camera behind us here, we got everything going. It's on the pad. Let's go. Let's get it up and see what happens. Okay, I'm just going to touch the screen here. And we're going to slide it across. And we've got 19 satellites. Look at that. It goes up to how, and I can see the screen like, it's amazing what you can see. Go around here and we've got 7 gigs left on the card. So we're good to go. Let's take a video. Well, let's come around and take a photo first. Let's take a photo down here. Here we go. And come down. See the rain, a little bit of rain? There we go. Let's go and let's go over here and we'll take a photo and we'll go photo. Boom. Photo's been taken. Let's go back to the video. Video. And we are 4K. Everything's at 0. Let's go with the video. Boom. Massive screen. What an enjoyable experience. And I'm sitting here, where am I? I could be at the beach, at the riverfront, the mountainside, wherever, and we're going to go and have a look. Here we go. So we're speeds. We're going to change the speed to, can we change the speed? Yes, we can somewhere. Where's the speed? Speed, speed, speed. There we go. Normal. I want to go film mode. There we go. Film mode is a little slower. There we go, and we're going to go up. Up we go. Oh, nice and slow. Look at that, eh? So we can go there in the middle, and it just stopped raining just in time. The screen is incredible. 10 meters, 12 meters, 14 meters. Up it goes. There we go. We got the grid lines on, and it's pretty level. Look at that. We're up at 25 meters. We got to go to about 35 or 40. Just so I can get a little bit of distance out of it. I'm not expecting too much because I am in the garage, right? So there we go. We're up to 40. It's really slow climbing, but we're 45. That's good enough. Let's turn it around and go towards our favorite lake that we always go to anyway. And we can come down a little bit on there. And as long as we don't have really fast movements, we're okay. Remember, this is EIS. So EIS, I'm not expecting massive things, like, yeah, the gimbal's going to be off a little bit because of the wind. It's going to be tilting that way a little bit, but I'm really not that concerned about it because it's, if you want to get a shot, you're going to frame a shot, you can make it the shot and change it in post and do all kinds of things with it. And we're going to go this way and have a look down at that water. And as soon as you get rid of the horizon, it doesn't matter. It looks level. Remember, the cost of this, my Canadian cost $200. I mean, come on, Canadian. That's like what, 130, 140 American, something like that. It's ridiculously cheap. But I just got too many drones. I must have 30 of them. I've got the whole fleet of Amita stuff. Somebody wants that $20 drone, let me know. You know, okay, but look at this, eh? Isn't that phenomenal? We can look down at the water there. Ah, all this stuff here. And let's have a look around here. Going this way. I don't know if I have a map or not. Let me see if I have a map. What have I got here? Can we get it? Do we have a map? No, we don't have a map. Do we? Don't have a map? No, I didn't load the map. So we don't have the map. Okie dokie. That's okay. Bring that up again. You have to load the map before you go, and I didn't load it. So there we go. Come on up again. There we go. 4K 30. There we are. It's not bad. Not bad at all, really. It's not jerky. It's not... oh, look at that. I'm almost turning around. There we go. Let's see where we're going here. There we go. We're almost facing back. Not really. This is the next... Oh, listen to that guy. Why did that stop? Well, I'll have to look at this. Let's have a look here. Boom, boom, boom. Start it again. No, I don't want pictures. I want video. See what happens here. Boom. We'll start that video again. Don't know why it stops on me. I'll have to ask DJI about that. But anyway, here we go. Oh, somebody's in the driveway there. Yeah, that was a big truck that went by. There's the H. I love that H. I love the H, and it's coming back here. Look at that. And we can go a little bit higher. Let's go up to 75, 80. Don't hear anything in the sky. Remember, we're at sub 250 here, and this is a phenomenal little drone for what it is. It does everything. And again, if you go into the little Android guy here, we've got tap and fly, we've got waypoints, follow, orbit, spiral, cinema mode, tripod mode, course lock, fixed wing, SAR for zooming, etc., etc., etc. It's got tons of stuff, okay? And the waypoint mission is second to none. It's got everything that the big Fimis have and more and more and more. It's amazing, really. Here we go. Look at the lake over there, and we're up at 70. Let's see what happens. We go up to the max here. We'll go over the road a little bit so I can get a little bit better on the reception. It's about as far as I want to go there. Up at 84, 90. Look at that, eh? It's absolutely stunning. It really is. And this is probably the cheapest drone that you can do all this stuff with. It really is. Okay? And that's looking at all the water and really incredible. It really is. Okay, let's bring this down now. Let's look around here. If I look down, where am I here? Should be right over my house. Pretty well. There we go. Okay, so bring it down. See how close we can come bringing it down. Get a little bit forward. A little bit forward. There we go. Yep, and we've got 76% in the battery. There we go. It should be right between the cars. Well, we don't want to be between the cars, so we're going to go that way a bit. We're going to go that way a bit. There we go. We're still coming down. We're still coming down a little bit. Oh, I hear it. There it comes. Should be just behind the truck. There we go. And there it is. Just behind the truck. We're 17 meters up. Oh, there we go. Boom. And we come in here. There we go. We come forward. And up with the camera. Okay, you notice some white stuff on the truck there? Yeah, I'm trying to do some spray foam fixing because I got some big rust holes in it. We'll see how that goes. It may work, it may not, but it didn't cost me anything anyway, so, and the truck is not costing me anything, so there we go. We'll come this way a bit, we'll come down, and we'll come down, and we'll go, and we'll land right here. Here we go, I come in, and down. Boom. And it turns off the video. Look at that. It's amazing. Oop. Put that there. I'm just going to grab it and show you. All that, we got a few drops of water. Just a few drops of water. So there you have it. Okay, there you have it. The Fimi Mini 3 SE, an amazing little craft. It really is for the money, okay? Yes, you can get better drones. You know, you can spend another $100 and get a really good drone. You can spend another $200. But for someone that doesn't have $300, $400, $500, $600, something like this, super dependable, super reliable. It's always there. Plug it in, USB chargeable. Away you go. Don't need a pilot's license. Don't need certificates. Don't need any of that stuff. Just get it up and fly it. Okay, away you go. The Fimi Mini 3 SE, the sleeper of 2025-26. I think one of the best. Bye now.